What is programming? Do we need to learn programming? There is any bright future on programmer's life? Let's search that. My name is Moiz Ahmed and welcome to COVID Coders. So actually in this video this video gonna be my first video, and I hope you all gonna like that video. So let me start with what is Scratch. So what is Scratch? Scratch is a programming and the world largest programming languages for kids, for children, you can say. Children's and children's and a coding language with a simple visual interface that allows young people to create their own games, their own stories, animations, and their own creativities that gonna help you to make your own anything whatever you want. Scratch is designed, developed, and moderated by the Scratch Foundation, a non-profit organization. So Scratch is an programming languages, one of programming languages, like maybe some of you know, like Python, JavaScript, Java, CSS, HTML, and so on. But Scratch is the basic language. If right now you are learning Python or those languages, stop, don't learn. In this video, I'm going to give you easiest and the basic language of of programming, that is Scratch. After Scratch, I'm gonna give you a basic one more languages on coding, but Scratch is a blocks. You may like drag and drop, and you can make your own creativity and stories those things using blocks. You can drag and drop, like drag and drop or like this, and you can make your game just using blocks. So what do you think? Python is more better for the basics or Scratch? Scratch, yeah. So as you can see here, there is a little game of Scratch that soon you're gonna see. In here you can see there's a little Scratch game. That game later I will gonna show you how to make that game. So let me start now with, that's the intro of Scratch just. So let me start with the variables now. What are variables? Okay, maybe some of you know and maybe some of you don't know about variables. Variables is actually our variable that gonna store a data or some any type of value. Actually variable in Scratch or in any programming languages are used to store data inside the variables. In the variable you can store name, any character, any number, or so on, anything whatever you want. But I give you one opinion from me that whenever you make a new variable, you must make that variable related to your character or number. Like if you're going to make, like for numbers, you may make a variable called numbers. For characters or like a name, like you are going to ask name, so you can make like a name just like that. So those are variables in Scratch. And let me go to loops. What are loops? Loops are loops in programming using a command to repeat a set of instructions to is called a loop. All programming languages include ways to do this. Scratch include repeat, forever, and repeat until. So things gonna those things are used as a loop. Like repeat, you can repeat this thing until 10. Like this thing repeat 10 times, this thing move 10 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, stop. Forever, okay, forever is like forever, just go on, just like that. And repeat until is like same like as repeat but a bit different. So let me go to conditions. What are conditions? Okay, conditions are condition. There are five conditional blocks in Scratch. Not five, but three maybe. There is if then, if else, and if. Actually, condition is used like for two options. Like you have a you give option to someone, like the program is going to do this. Two options we have, two, this and this. If this is going to happen, don't do this, just do this. So if the condition like get two options, so that's more better for the program. That gonna be more easier for it, for the program, that gonna be more easier to do and to run it. So that's the conditions and loops, variables and conditions, and there's some more. Those are very important in every programming languages. Almost everyone use it in programming languages, like almost in every program. And there's so many um, data types like loop, variable and those things. So soon I will gonna show you that. And as I told you about Scratch, soon I will gonna show you a C programming languages. Okay, what is C? Maybe some of you get like so excited for C. C is a programming language too, but soon I will gonna teach you that. So let me give you let me show you the game that I showed you before, how to make it and what we're gonna use in that. So let's
So
go.
guys, in here, that's the game that I'm gonna show you to how to make that. First, we will run it. It's like just like jumping, jumping, and jumping, and go back and like we can do something like that. So let's start with go to cat. So I'm gonna make you understand that code, that how is that working. So for the cat, in the cat, we can go to sprites. We can go to sprites and bring any sprite from there. And after that, when you're gonna like click cat, so that's the cat that you bring. Just like click here, and they're gonna be showed you in here. Same like that. That's bar 2. You're gonna bring from there. So let me show you. The code got started with the event flag. When you click that flag, this flag, that's gonna be run. And this forever is, as I told you before, that's a for loop, like running a thing always, always, always. So that's gonna work for this thing. And in forever we put if condition, if touching color blue, change y by 3. If touching color blue, the cat will come down 3 steps. See, yeah, like as I show you, touching 3 steps, come down. As it look like the cat go down like with jump, but it's not like that actually. This is the code. So if not touching color and not key up arrow, if not touching color blue and key up arrow, wait 0.1 second and change y by 3. Okay, actually y is the vertical, like it gonna make you up or down. Y was used for this thing. So y minus 3, that we're gonna use like y minus 3 means go up. So for that thing, the cat will go up. Like I click up arrow, go up. So that's the work of the y to go up or down. Else, same, minus 3, go up. Anyways, that's gonna be go up. So in there's a bar. Now there's a bar that we're gonna use for touching blue color. So in there there's the just setting that you're gonna stay in that position for all the time. So guys, uh, that's the basic simple cat moving uh, simple moving cat game that I show you in here. So yeah, so I just show you that how can you make that and how can you move your cat. And that's a simple and basic game. And soon I will gonna show you little, not a basic game, but little big than that. The code gonna be more big than this. This is a little code. Maybe I can show you a bit of the code, that how it will gonna be. The code will gonna be like this. Like as you're seeing on your screen, there's like 30, or there's so many. That game. Let me show you that game first. In that game, you're gonna play like, you click here, going there, the star, and then you're gonna bring until you get win. Yeah, so we win. So just like that. I hope you like it. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching that video.